Namaste to all. I am our Sanskrit teacher, Narasimhan, taking Sanskrit class for class 6th standard on digital mode. This is class 6th standard, which course lesson 1. First, we are going to learn Sanskrit alphabets. Dear students, I have given you a detailed instruction regarding with the joining of Sanskrit classes in 6th standard. Now, I am giving second class to you all, starting bridge courses. Let us start with the letters Sanskrit Varnamala first. Second, we will teach you Swara, consonants and vowel combinations. Third one, we will teach you Panchagante, Sayukta Vyanjanani. These three things we will teach you. You can see the board here on the screen. Already, since you all are from the Kendra Vidyalaya students, you need not worry much more about these letters writing of the Devanagari scripts. The scripts are called Devanagari. You should have the basic knowledge of Devanagari script, children. Hindi and Sanskrit are all the languages, they are using only Devanagari script. Font is different. In Hindi, they are using Hindi font, but script is Sanskrit language. It means Devanagari script. In Sanskrit also they are using Devanagari script, but the font is Sanskrit language font. Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, likewise all the languages, they are using only Devanagari script. You must understand. This script is only for a Devanagari script, which is using here for you all the languages. Now see, I have given you the introduction about this, all the things. First, let us discuss in the alphabets for Varnamala, vowels. Since already you studied in Hindi language, the same alphabets will be here also, except one or two letters extra it is done. You can see on the screen. The letters are given A, E, likewise here in the blue screen. It is in the box, you can see. The writing of the letters already you are having habits, practice. A, E, U, R, there is a letter. Here it is given separately. These two are given separately here for you to understand. But after you have to write then A, I, O, Aha. So this is the manner you have to write in the order. First write A, E, U, R. Then you write here A, I, O, Aha. These two letters are separately given because these two letters you are new to learn from Sanskrit. It is different from the Hindi language. The vowels. So you can count the number of the letters which is given here, and a simple manner you can practice and write in your Sanskrit class outside by seeing this board slowly. So the way of pronunciation, I pronounce, you repeat after A. A, E, U, R, 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 A, I, O, O, Ah. So I have given you a gap between every one of the letters. After me, you can also pronounce and recite and practice yourself. I may not able to hear, that is different, but you can practice yourself. Recite and recite yourself or get practice of pronunciation. Once again, I give you practice. Recite. I take 1 second time. Then, meanwhile, you can tell yourself. Ah, ah, e, e, u, u, re, 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 ye, I, o, au, aha, likewise. So this is called traditionally there are two more vowels which is included here. So that is shown here in the box separately. Now we go with the short letters and long letters to understand from this. So that only very important here. A is short letter, A is long letter. Why we call it is a short letter and a long letter, you know? A you say, then it take only 1 second time. Or you say it should take only 2 second time. It is the method of pronunciation. So you should not. Some of the students who will recite or read or pronounce the letter long time. Ah, like this. We should not do it because in Sanskrit we are having another letter method also, which is not required for you here. So we don't teach it. But short letters are to pronounce with 1 second. Long letters are to pronounce with 2 seconds. This is the rule of short letter and long letter rule. So I give you practice for short letter and long letter. You can just practice with 1 second and 2 second likewise. Uh, are you able to hear the sound? Uh, likewise, it is called 2 second. E, E, O, O, Re, Re, Re. So you are able to pronounce this short letters and long letters differences. So short letter to pronounce with 1 second, long letters to pronounce with 2 seconds. It is called in Sanskrit we say short letter to say Hresva Matra, long letters we say Dirgha Matra, likewise. Then we go with the letters here, whatever it has given, just only for a practice purpose. So we are focusing only with these two tables which they have given. If comes extra, that is only for practice purpose. So you can write in your classwork side this table, blue color 1, 2, and this 3 you can write it. These are not much more important here. And here two more letters very important here students to know. Apart from this, very speciality of this the letter, aha the letter. It is called a anuswara in Sanskrit. Like I say. We write da. In the top of the we have to put one dot, you can see very detailed manner. And visarga, it is called you have to write, then 2 dots you have to put after the letter. It is called a aha the letter. Then we go with the next, this is what vowels. We go with Swarayukta Vyanjana afterwards. Sorry. Now we go with these letters of this further Vyanjana letter. See this. This is another place of pronunciation. You can write very neatly by seeing this table. and ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. This is called a kavarga, we call the group of letters from the ka. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Cha, cha, ja, cha, nga. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Here na pronouncing, you have to fold your tongue. No, like this. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. So these all are the place of pronunciation. The letters I am practicing you. I am reciting. You can listen. Then ya, ra, la. Then this la also extra is there in Sanskrit language so that it is given. You can write this also for practice, but we never use in our class curriculum of the school. So you need not to write this. You write only ya, ra, this la. Then you write for va. Then sha, sha, sa, ha. Apart from this, as you know, practiced already. We used to give practice in the classroom writing. You will be knowing that pronouns you can write sha, tra, nya. These three letters also can write in your Sanskrit notebook side while writing. So now you will understand this Vyanjana letters. Consonants are given here. Ka, ka, ga, gha, nga. Cha, cha, ja, cha, nga. Ta, ta, da, dha, da. Ta, ta, da, dha, na. Pa, pa, ba, bha, ma. Easy for you to pronounce the letters. Ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, cha, tra, nya. Now, here one important for I have to tell you in this table you see on the screen. The first here ka is given, no, the first box, and the third was from the beginning. The first one is given here title. You forget this and see this. Aghosha Alpa Prana it is written. You can see Alpa Prana. Aghosha Mahaprana. Aghosha Alpa Prana. Ghosha Mahaprana. Anunasika Alpa Prana headings are given. What is called Aghosha Alpa Prana means no, you cannot shout more here, very silent manner. You have to pronounce the letter. So that it is called a Aghosha Alpa Prana. And Aghosha Mahaprana. Alpa Prana means what, you know? Very simple letter. You have to say the pronounce the letter. This is called Alpa Prana. Mahaprana, you have to stress the letter. So, ka, kha, cha, cha, to, tha, to, tha, pa, pa, likewise. And here coming do, tha, jo, tha, do, tha, do, tha, bo, pa. This is the pronunciation. Here, Anunasika. Anunasika Alpa Prana. This also should not stress more. Here, ga is a simple manner you have to pronounce. Here, ga you have to stress. So, the first table which is given here without stressing. Second one with stressing. Third one we are given with without stressing. Fourth one with stressing. Last one without stressing. With the nose you have to pronounce, that is called nasal. It is given. With the nose you have to pronounce. Nga, nga, na, 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 like this. So you are able to understand this. Now we go. This is all easy for you. So the homework from the class was, as I said, you are going to write this blue screen vowels. Here Vyanjana also this table and this table which I show you the cursor through, and this table you have to write in your Sanskrit class side from the lesson 1 itself, vowels. Now we go with the Swarayukta Vyanjan. Ka, ki, this one. See the matra, how to write? Also it is given ka with all the matras. The matra symbols also given in the top. It is easy for you children. Already you studied in Hindi classes. You can write the same method. There is no any changes. So you are asked to write for the letters of the all the letters which is given for you here. The consonants for this. All the letters which I am showing here, ka, kha, ga, ga, cha. Here, ka, kiki, likewise cha, cha, chichi, tata, tata, papa, ya, yi, ra, ri, la. Likewise, ha, hi, hu, hey. Likewise, you have to write for the all the letters by seeing this model of Kakar. So that I need not to give much more explanation about this, though it is once I will read and show to you the letters which is different one. Kakka, Kiki, Kuku, Kri, also it is there. You have to write that letter also. It is given for special manner, but it is not used in many of the timings, so that it is not given. And Kru also. I will write and send you additional to this. On this screen it is not available. I will send you that you can practice. K, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Kaha. Likewise, you have to write it this way. I will write and send you this pattern because the letter is not seen. For all the letters you have to write. Then we discuss Sayukta Vyanjanani. What is called Sayukta Vyanjanani? You see the students. The letters which is joining it plus iyo, tyar. The usage of this is satyar. Ish plus tha, ishtha, shtha, oshtha. Now see ik plus la, kala, kalesha. Id plus va, dva. Some of the letters are given. You can practice and write in your Sanskrit homework by seeing this all the 6 topics which they are given. No, I don't want English. I want only the Sanskrit with the heading of this all the things you can write. Ik plus ra, kra, chakra, kra, rashtra, it plus ra, tra, linga, pancha, how to write this, pancha kanta, ik plus shaksha, it plus tratra, ij plus nganga. These all things I told you to write in there itself. Here also it has given. So these 3 things are today you learned from me in Sanskrit bridge course for vowels, Varnamala and Swarayukta Vyanjanani and Sayukta Vyanjanani. These 3 things are I have given you. Listen students, for some instructions regarding with this, I come to conclusion of this session. And I told you all already in the first video, I sent you that what are the things you have to do. Once again, I remind you, since we are learning through e-learning on digital mode, we are asked to maintain one Sanskrit classwork notebook. In that itself, first half is a classwork and second half should be homework side. So how do you do? In the front page of the notebook, the index column you write for the classwork. And the homework side, half of the notebook you fold in one page, write heading as homework. Likewise, only one page for writing homework index. Second page onwards, you can start writing homework, whatever I assigned to you. So now we go with the writing of this exercise in your homework only, these alphabets, not in the classwork side. Please listen once again, I tell you. This alphabets writing is in your homework side, not in your classwork side. So, you write in a homework side index column writing as Varnamala and topic, date also today's date you can write. And write this all the things by seeing this video and write very slowly and 3 pages or 2 pages it will come. And after completing it in our Sanskrit WhatsApp group of your class, 6th A and 6th B students, and send me through the WhatsApp the pages. Sir, I don't want all the pages. and send me only front page, the first page of this which you complete and writing. May come sometimes of writing of this kaka kiki 2-3 pages. Please don't waste the pages and write in 2 pages writing downwards. Ka ki likewise downwards you write, and in 2 or 3 pages it will not take more than that. You are asked to write all the letters for this kaka kiki cha 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 chi chi tatta titti tatta titti papa pippi poo likewise, so that it will come more. So don't waste unnecessarily pages. Only one time only you should write of these 3 things. So you send me WhatsApp these all the things which I send you in your homework side, and in a classwork side in the front page. You will have the natural doubts, and I'm having no notebook how to write because now it is lockdown. The bookstore is not available. So you are having a digital notebook which you purchased last year. You can write if there is no any books for you, notebooks with you, the old one existing, or any of the notebook. If pages are more left waste, if seems you can write in that also. No problem for me. You can tear and keep with you. After purchase a new notebook, you can paste it, or you write in a paper white sheet, taking the ruled note only you should write, and keep with you writing the ruled notebook. After purchasing the notebook, you can paste in there. So very clear the instruction. Those who are having the notebook, you can write in the notebook. Those who are not having or not available the notebook to purchase, need not to worry, children. You can write in a paper. Afterwards, you can paste it. So with these instructions, I conclude this session giving the basic bridge course to you all. Today, day one for you teaching. After the video class over, the introduction class, today this Varnamala and introduction about the Sanskrit alphabet. I have given you already introduction about the Sanskrit language concerning the session 1. It means class 1. Today, second class, I started the bridge course, Varnamala and other things. So, by this I conclude completing this lesson. I am Sanskrit teacher from Kendra Vidyalaya, Anna Nagar, taking class on digital mode to class students of 6th A and 6th B. Any doubts, students, you can WhatsApp to me and send to me immediately after receiving this video from me. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.